Why pay someone else to replace a cabin filter in your vehicle when you could purchase one from filterheads.com and do it yourself? When you purchase a filter from us, you get a superior quality cabin filter that is engineered to fit and function exactly like the original filter. Our instructional video is made to give you the confidence you need to do the job correctly.
Open the hood. Pull back the weather stripping on the left side of the cowling. Lift up on the door on the left side cowling and remove the old filter with its frame. Remove the old filter from the frame. The filter has notches that the frame hooks into. Install your new AQ1008C filter into the frame with its airflow indicator arrow pointing down. Install the new filter frame back into the housing, making sure it is completely seated. Seat the weather stripping back into place. Close the hood. Purchase this filter at filterheads.com/AQ1008C.